Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another episode. You've had an episode every day this week and we're not stopping. Today we're going to be finishing off this car. Have a look. Last night I killed on a spray job on that front bumper. We're going to be assembling everything, getting everything nice and ready just in time for Christmas Eve tomorrow, where that special on my stolen recovered Fiesta ST is coming out. So I'm not even talking anymore. Let's get this car in the garage. I need to remove some of the bits from the old bumper, get the new bumper assembled and get this car out of here. Right guys, so whilst Akil is in the garage sorting out the rest of that front bumper, I've come back down to Multicars. We're gonna get the car inside, we're gonna get that DPF off, get it cleaned, and hopefully that sorts out the DPF issue. So let's go. It's so sloppy. It's so, look at the delay. Right guys, I'm gonna leave it with these guys. Let's go sort out that front bumper. guys, there you have it. Have a look at this front bumper on the Mercedes A200d. It's looking nice. It's come together, and I took my time and I showed you guys this whole bumper, all the little plastic bits in the back. It goes together like a puzzle, and there's so many bits to it, but it's all together. What time is it now? It's just 2 in the afternoon. The car has been next door at Zaffa's garage, multi-car repairs for about the last 2 hours. So hopefully they're all done. I can't be in 2 places at one time, so I'll finish off everything over here. I'm gonna go over there, hopefully the car's done. We're gonna get the car back in, get this front bumper onto the car, and then we should be able to start cleaning and getting the car ready for the final review. So let's go get the car. What do you reckon? Have we got our power back, yeah?
100%. All good, man.
Too nice.
All power back now.
Yeah?
That's perfect to drive.
Nice one, bro. Thank you very much.
Perfect to drive. You want to test drive it?
Yeah.
Come, let you do it.
Okay.
Let you do it. Give me the camera.
New DPF, cleaned out the whole system. EGR clean, all the tubes, turbo pipes clean, everything, and now it's breathing 10 times better. You got me. Yeah, power's definitely back. Guys, come down to Multi-Car, man. They know their stuff. It's getting late. What time is it now? It's just gone 5. It feels later. Let's get the car in the garage, get the front end assembled. Boom. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch, or click here to check out this playlist on one of my previous builds. And I'll catch you in the next one. We out.